this video, we're going to share that how are we going to do the setup for this Apollo bot. Any point of time, if you wanted to check it out, all these things, in fact, it's very clear at the moonverse.io. You can actually go to AI trading bot signal, and we are actually looking at Apollo bot. So Apollo bot here, we actually do all the step-by-steps, and today we're actually doing on this account to do some setup. So let's check it out on the step-by-step. So the minimum startup for Apollo bot is actually $100 funds, and the gas fee you can start as low as $30. Okay, so let's check it out. What should we do at the beginning part? We need to set up the account as a unified account. So let's check on the assets. So as you can see, we actually have a main account, so this is a sub account. So what we do over here is we go to trade. See, this is a unified account that we just make sure that we are unified account. So as you can see, this is the step-by-step that you're going to do. So go to the three dot over here and we choose trading preference, and we choose the position mode double confirm. It's a one-way mode. So what we need to do is to go to API management and create new keys, and you just need to set up your 2FA, which is already pre-set up. Once you set up, create new keys, system generated API keys, connect to third-party applications, and you need to find Apollo. Don't spell it wrong. So it's not easy to be one of the partners, you see. So we only choose read only, read write, and unified trading account, which is what we already set up at the beginning. And we just need to click submit. So over here, you will need to have a Google 2FA. So this is the whole things that you will be getting. So what we need to do is to go to the Apollo bot, our link, so that if you have any access and support, we will get a team to help you as well. So we click the API, and because we are using the Bybit, so we actually will just buy Bybit. So normal, and we just need to paste the API and secret keys over here that we already set up. API key, and the secret, and we just need to import will do. So we can just double check again and see. So it's happening right now here. And check on our Bybit. Is it the correct one? So as you can see, we already connected our API key over here. Once we already set up right, what we need to do is to choose what type of trade. So as mentioned, at any point of time, if you have any questions, you can always go to the moonverse.io and go to the AI trading bot signal, and you can choose Apollo as this video's example. And you can see every step by step, it's over here. Trust me, if you just follow exactly step by step with the picture, you are set to go. So all the strategies and stuff like that. So we already at these positions to decide what we're going to trade. Okay, so you can just click the link and just follow. So let's go back to our setting over here. You can choose spot classic, you can choose future classics indicator. So we will choose future classic. So having all these bot, right, it's very simple. You just make sure that it's very smooth and easy. And remember, ATR, the higher rate it is, the risk is higher. Okay? So the lower is much safer. So you need to decide which token that you're going to follow and trade and decide. Okay? Oh, there's our favorite CFX. It's over here. Let's consider high risk, okay? So I also put here the notes. So 0.8 to 1.6 is a safe side. Above 2, it's considered a risk taker. At this example, we actually started with $100. Okay, so you can see that the amount that you started with, there is an indicator like the capital 100, 200, 300, 400. So your wallet position, initial position is 20, and you can choose different. So over here, right, you can choose 2 tokens. Okay, Doge, UD, all this is just an example. The more money you have, the more you can put. So max order is the layer. So I also put out a note over here as well to tell you that what are the max reposition that you have. So what we suggest, if you have only 100, you can just set as 4 instead of 7. Okay, the max order. So this is the layer. So let's try to do it over here. So this is the list by Apollo. You can just click and you can see this list on Excel. You will always update it. Okay, so let's go and choose. Maybe you can leave a comment below and let us know that what is the best one that you wanted to put. Okay, so there's a few over here. Quant looks promising. Doge is considered risk. Maybe we choose to use if then, yeah, Ethereum or BTC is considered safe side. So we just click if over here to test it out. Over confirm that you will choose to see. So which is the correct one? Okay, let's refer back so to make sure that we are right. Okay, so we choose DCA. Everything over here we don't have to touch on the circle, right? So the max order, what we want to put, we put 4 layer, right? Okay, position we just put 20. Yeah, because, and you can choose the direction long, short, or auto, but I'm a lazy trader, so we always put auto. So let's see the, yeah, it's actually auto. Then we can choose 10x. Okay, let's choose 10x, and yeah, that's it. We just need to launch, and the startup is successful. So let's go back and check and see. Just now they mentioned we can choose 2, right? So let's choose another one. Let's go back over here. We check our API. Okay, Future Classic as well. So we already choose ETH. How about XRP? I mean, since we are XRP supporter, or maybe, oh, CFX is really high. I'm actually got quite a bags of XRP as well. So let's do XRP. Let's put confirm. Same DCA, put max order at 4. 10x, very simple, just follow and just launch. So here you set up. So always remember to double check your gas. You must make sure that you have enough. If not, you need to buy gas and make sure it's there. Okay, so this is how you set up your API, and we can check the profit right now. So I haven't started yet. Okay, but I'll keep you guys updated. So this is how you set up your Apollo bot. You can see the assets over here. We actually have this unified trading, and we can see that they open up for the derivative. So as you can see that they already start opening trade. I did not open this trade, is what they just opened just now. So it will be all automatic run, and I'll keep you guys updated what is it about. And remember to sign up our link so that you're able to access our community. And I'll see you guys. Any question, just leave a message below and I'll try to answer.